Good morning everyone, I'm John Billy Rivera. I'm here to demonstrate external and internal parts of this vehicle. First is windshield. Second is left wiper and right wiper. Third is left headlight and right headlight and this kanang signal light, left signal light and second signal light, then right side mirror and left side mirror, then this battery, then left wheels and sa back po niya na left wheels gyapon. Then back is brake light at tail light. Oh, yeah, then now I will proceed internal parts of this vehicle. First is steering wheels and horn. Then this is a dashboard, then rear view mirror, then accelerator, brake and clutch, then gear stick, then handbrake, set belt, left and right seat belt, and two seat for multi-cab vehicle. That's all for my video. Thank you.